Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix issue when you cannot pair your Sony WF-1000XM5 with your iPhone, Android phone, or for example PC. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to go into the settings of your device and simply turn off the Bluetooth. This is the first step. Next, we have to be sure that we just put this earbuds inside the case properly. So next, the green light will actually pops up. And now we have to keep that case open and we have to click and hold on this button at the back. So we have to click and hold it and we have to just wait until this blue light starts blinking. There we go. Now when it's blinking, you have to release this back button. You have to keep that case open with the both earbuds inside, and you have to just turn on the Bluetooth on your device and simply check if your device is available. If it works, just simply select your device and be connected. But if it still doesn't work, you can try to do the ultimate way to perform the hard reset. So close this case, open it one more time, and now just repeat with holding this button. But now we have to do this a little bit longer. So instead of the blue light that will pops right now, we want to get the red light. Yeah, we want to get the red light, and it will take around 10 to 15 seconds of holding this button. Now we are performing the reset of the case and the earbuds, and now it just disappears. So then close this case, open it again, and now click and hold this button to enter for this pairing mode. There we go. Now release and try to connect your earbuds one more time with your device and just tell me if it works. So now I'm gonna turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and here I am. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Please leave a like under this video and subscribe to my channel.